Hi, everyone. My name is Kelly Farquharson, and I'm an associate professor at Florida State University. I've been working with my friends at ASHA to develop a webinar titled Early, Persistent, and Remediated Speech Sound Disorders. There's more to the story. In this webinar, I'm going to be talking to you about one of my passions, which is how children with speech sound disorders acquire literacy skills, and really what our role is as SLPs in helping those children acquire literacy skills necessary for classroom success. We'll talk a little bit about some ideas for early screenings and early assessment practices that can help us identify these children earlier. Currently, there's some practices in place in which children with speech sound disorders aren't identified or don't receive treatment until third grade, possibly even later, and maybe not at all. And so I have some ideas on how we can improve our practice in the schools to help provide services to these children early in a timely way that helps ensure classroom success and better outcomes for their literacy skills. I also have some ideas for treatment that can help us think about literacy within the context of speech sound production, whether we're seeing these children in individual or group sessions. I'm really excited that ASHA has invited me to talk to you guys about this topic. I hope you'll join me, and I'll see you then.